from a station working for you. This is a WRTV update.
I'm Mark Mullins bringing you the latest WRTV headlines. The 18-year-old student killed in a car crash on her way to prom will be laid to rest today. Funeral services for Kaylin Hart start at 1 o'clock this afternoon at Randall and Roberts Funeral Center in Noblesville. Hart was a senior at Hamilton Heights High School. Lendon Byram, a junior at Cathedral, also died in the crash. Visitation for Lendon begins at 3 p.m. today at Cicero Christian Church. If all goes as planned, neighbors on the northeast side of Indianapolis will have a much-needed grocery option about 1 year from now. Indy Fresh Market is scheduled to open at 38th and Sheridan in August of next year. The 14,000 square foot store will be a full-service supermarket. Several stakeholders work together to make this development happen, including Martin University, Goodwill, and Cook Medical. More free concerts are returning to Central Indiana this summer. June through September, bands and artists will take the stage at the Performing Arts Pavilion at Foster Park in downtown Kokomo. You can check out the full schedule and lineup at KokomoSummerSeries.com. Kyle.
We start off our Friday with some sunshine as we go into the afternoon, an isolated shower and temperatures into the lower 60s. More widespread rain that moves in the second half of the weekend, really Saturday night, and then throughout the day on Sunday. Looks like it could be a soaking rain, so you might want to have some backup plans for something indoors, as we could see 1 to possibly 3 inches of rain across the area this weekend. That keeps our temperatures only in the 50s on Sunday. We moderate a little bit back into the low 60s next week.
Kyle, thank you. For more news and weather anytime, download the WRTV mobile app. I'm Mark Mullins. Thanks for watching.